our Create space. Inside you'll find sewing machines, photo scanners, and other equipment to help you bring your imagined creations to life. Let's go inside and check it out. With our Janome sewing machines, you can whip up new clothes or things to use around the house. Maybe some new pillowcases or slip covers, maybe a new dress. Whatever strikes your fancy, our Janome sewing machine is here for you to use. And this is our Cricut Maker, a precision cutting machine. You can use it to make vinyl decals for the back of your car, stencils to do etchings on wine glasses, those make a great gift, and all kinds of other exciting projects. Our photo video transfer stations can help you capture memories and share them with friends and family. Whether you have old photo albums full of pictures or old VHS tapes from your first birthday party, you can transfer them to digital format here for sharing on YouTube, Facebook, or emailing to friends and family. Our Create space also has a selection of simple tools. So whatever your small project, whether it's punching a new hole in your belt or your purse strap, putting together a bookshelf, or even making your own guitar picks, come on down, they're here for you to use. Our Create space also has 2 button makers in different sizes and the cutting machines you need to make your circles just the right size. You can use family photos, photos from your travels, old magazines, and create buttons to decorate your backpack or your jean jacket. During the pandemic, the Create space is available only by appointment, and you'll have private use of the room just for you and maybe a member of your immediate family. Just go to our website and submit your request. We'll contact you with dates and times that the space is available, and then all you have to do is come on down, check out the key card on your library card, and come on in, make yourselves at home, and make use of all this great equipment. And of course, your library has tons of resources to help you. Lots of books, and don't forget, we also have ebooks and e-audiobooks that you can download from home on all kinds of topics, from cooking to photography to crocheting and other handcrafts, and lots more.